Local women's top-flight football is finally back after a 3-year absence. This as the Jamaica Football Federation on Thursday announced the return of the Premier League. According to the organisers, 9 teams to be split into 2 groups will play 90 games in total, with a knockout competition also in the works for the season. Jamaica Football Federation JFF President Michael Ricketts believes the return of the women's top flight can give players an opportunity to be considered in the Reggae Girls squad heading to the World Cup.
Some young players certainly will be showcasing their talent with the expectation of getting into the squad. We want to encourage players so to do. We not just want football to be football, we want it to impact our nation, and we would have produced players of the quality.
Head of the JFF Women's Committee, Elaine Walker-Brown, says that there were some challenges getting the Premier League back on the pitch, but she's happy that it's back.
It was very unfortunate, but most of it is because of COVID. I know that as a JFF we have gotten a lot of knocks for being out for so long. But there were some difficulties, and from where I sit now, I think we're going to have a very good competition.
And Alicia Johnson, who will be playing for Royal Lakes in the league, spoke about the significance of national recognition for women playing in the country.
It is very important. You know, sponsors are nice. They're very, very, very nice. And we love that. We love the nice shoes and the nice clothes and all of something there. So, you know, exposure is really, really important for us.
Now, the first matches of the season will see 2 games from each zone, with Fraser's Whip opposing Olympic Gardens and Baptista Lions taking on Springers United from Zone A, while Cavalier will battle Royal Lakes and Vere United square off against Real Bay FC in Zone B. Let's take a break now on Primetime Sports Friday. Stay with us, lots more after this.